if there was a list of sales tips or sales advice for in-home salespeople to help them close more sales, what would be on that list? I'm Sylvan Bell. I'm coming to you live from Sacramento, California. A perfect day to talk about sales and a perfect day of talking about closing, doing in-home sales. So here's the thing. You go through, you do everything you're supposed to, you outwork the competition, you've made the sale. Now your job is to show up and do a follow-up. Your job is to do a job walk. Your job is to make sure that that job went correctly. Especially if you're charging 20, 30, 40, 50, 60% more than the competition, you absolutely have to get by. Now, one of the things that I hear homeowners tell me a lot is, hey, look, I know the sales guy's job was to come out here and sell me something, but he made it seem like we were going to be good friends, and then he sold the job and I never saw him again. This is your perfect opportunity to get referrals. This is your perfect opportunity to get pictures. This is your perfect opportunity to get videos. This is your perfect opportunity to get testimonials. There's like four huge things right there for you to help you close more deals. Pictures, videos, testimonials, and referrals, right? That can fuel you a couple of months for you if you do this the right way. You absolutely positively have to get back to deals that you have closed to help you increase sales, right? And I'm gonna let you know that when you do this, this will help you decrease complaints, because instead of somebody going to Yelp, they'll be like, or a 4-letter word, or to a place where they can write a review, they will more than likely call you and say, hey, can you fix this? Can you get this taken care of? And then writing an online review that's bad, that's horrible. There is a lot of upside for you going back. If you're outworking the competition and you have the belief that I do, you can't outwork me, you can only underbid me, you absolutely positively have to get back to every job that you sell and make sure that that person's happy for what you sold. I mean, that's the job of a salesperson. That's one of the reasons why you get commission. You can argue with me with this. You can argue with this with me all you want. I'm going to let you know this is always going to be my answer. Always get back to that sell. Always keep contact with that buyer. People talk about always be closing. Okay, great. Let's talk about always be closing. Always be closing means you go back and you meet with your buyer and you talk to them about what they got so that you can get pictures, videos, referrals, and testimonials in whatever order that you want, okay? You really want to be a closer in sales and in-home sales, you've got to get back and talk to the people that spent some money with you. Get those 4 things that I talked about to help you be more successful, close more sales, close more deals, and avoid sales sabotage. So there you go. Sales Basic Mastery 101 for in-home salespeople is to get back and go back to the job that you sold. Now, you've got one thing to do from here. Just one thing. And that is to find the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button, and what will happen is every time I send out a new video, you will get an update. Now, I will let you know, I do send out videos frequently, just about every single day. And I have for a long time. So you will get an update that says, Sylvan Bell sent out a video, you should watch it, which you should, okay? Thanks for dropping by. We'll see you soon. Aloha.